Yo, what's up? I'm back home. I'm going back to Vegas in a couple weeks, but we're going to Best Buy. And my plan is to get a UE MEGABOOM 3. But if I don't get it, I'm getting a JBL Charge 4. Alright y'all, so I'm back from Best Buy and I'm back from my Lyft. So hands down, that was the best Uber Lyft ride ever, like not even exaggerating. He told me some really useful stuff for you too, so shout out to you if you're watching right now. But yeah, UE MEGABOOM 3. So I was deciding between this and I told you in the JBL, but I ended up getting this, so cool. And even the Best Buy person told me he liked this over the JBL, so I got this. So Ultimate Ears MEGABOOM 3 portable Bluetooth speaker. Alright, let's look on the side. It's just it in water basically. So yeah, it is waterproof and I put it in the water and all that, but let's look at the back. So it says powerful 360-degree sound, and then it tells you how you can play and pause music and go to the next track. And it says you can connect to 150 speakers. I don't know why you would have that many speakers, but you can. So 360 sound, 20 hours of battery life, magic button, drop proof, and waterproof. And on the left side, we just got some people enjoying it, I guess. At the top, there's nothing. At the bottom, it's just more info. If you want to pause it, you can go ahead and do that. It says made for iPhone and iPad, but it's also made for the Galaxy Tab and Galaxy S and Note and any other Android phone or even a Windows phone. So yeah, let's get into it. So let's go ahead and just peel off this easy tab here. I like when companies do that. I think Amazon was the one that started it. But let's go ahead and get this out of the box. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we'll figure it out. All right, we got it. There we go. That is some crazy artwork right there. All right then. Oh wait, hold on. What's going on? I really don't know what I just did wrong. But okay then. And I could just go to the unboxing table, but like we're already this far, so I might as well just keep going with it. So that is the UE MEGABOOM 3. I heard the UE MEGABOOM and it sounds pretty good, so I know it's gonna sound like really good too. So here's the speaker. So let me go and get my Amazon tap real quick and I can show y'all the difference. But before that, we gotta look in the box some more. So let's go ahead and look at here. So it says USB in there and we got other accessories. So let's look real quick. So quick start guide. What did I tell you about this? We got the cord in here, which is micro USB. That is a huge letdown. Come on now, UE, please give us USB Type-C. I don't know what y'all doing, and this came out in 2018, so there's no excuses for this. Oh, and that's not even it. There's no excuses for this. Why is it micro USB? Anyways, we got the actual power adapter in here that they throw in, so that's pretty cool. I heard they got rid of that, or was that JBL? I don't remember what company did that. And we have, I don't know what this is. I think it's just more manual stuff. So what did I tell y'all about this? And that's it in the box. So let's look at this speaker and let me grab my Amazon tab. So here's the actual funny thing. So I was gonna get this on Amazon, but I just ended up going to Best Buy and it was actually $20 off, so that was cool, I guess. Not that big of a deal, but it's 189 bucks, so that was cool. But here's the difference. It's a big difference. You can hold it in one hand easily like me. I don't really got that big of hands, but it fits in my hand easy. And you got this little loop thing here, so if you want to put it on the bag or something like that, you can. It's stiff though. And you got the Amazon tap, so I assume it's gonna be like a lot better than the Amazon tap. I don't know if it got Alexa, I don't think so, but I know the Wonder Blast does, so I mean that's a thing I guess. I was gonna get that, but I was like, it's not that big of a difference, so I'll just get this. But what I like about the Amazon tap is that you got all the media controls here at the top, so this doesn't. It kind of sucks. But let's go and turn this thing on if we got battery. And okay, we do. That's cool.
Please download the Boom and MEGABOOM app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
Alright, let me get my Galaxy Tab S4. I do have to say though, I don't really care for the UE startup sound. They should really change that to something more like regular sounding rather than some drums hitting or something like that. More sophisticated, I guess you could say. But yeah, I got the Galaxy Tab S4 and I got my keyboard cover here, so I'll do a video on that soon. I just didn't get to it yet. And I got a screen protector too today, but like the reason it looks like that is because I did it in a bathroom and I used the little wet wipes that came with it, so it's still wet and it's still gotta dry and whatever, so just don't worry about that. But while it's installing and whatever it's doing, I'm gonna go around this. So we got the volume buttons, obviously. I don't really gotta explain that. They're pretty big. I mean, they're obvious to see, and it's nice that it's big because, you know, just to make it look clean. We got the magic button they were talking about, so you can go ahead and go to the next track or pause it or whatever you want to do. And I think this is the pairing button. I think so. I mean, it feels like a pairing button. That's the power button. This is a strap, and we got the Ultimate Ears logo. And right here is where you charge it. So just flip it around here. I'll go ahead and open this, and you got the charger here. Micro USB, which is a problem, but it's whatever. I'll leave it alone. But don't think I don't want to see a USB Type-C one, because I definitely do. And that's a charging indicator right there. You see that little circle right there? That's a charging indicator. So you close that up, and then it makes it waterproof. So make sure you close that when you're done. Okay, update. I got my Galaxy S8 because it's just stuck on 100% for some reason. I don't know why. But let's go ahead and do this, man. So let's go ahead and hit open here. We got Ultimate Ears. Let's just go ahead and wait for this, I guess. Let's connect to the speaker, and this MEGABOOM 3. It says make sure it's powered on. If not, go ahead and hold the Bluetooth button, but it already is. So cool. But it says go to your Bluetooth settings and select MEGABOOM 3. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So there it is, MEGABOOM 3. Let's go ahead and hit connect. And where's the connecting at? Hold on for it. Okay, there we go. So now it's connected. So we can go back to the app. Let's just go and do that real quick. And I don't know why it's not doing nothing. Okay, then that's weird. And it's asking to update the speaker, so let's go and update it real quick. All right, so the update is now done. I can use the speaker now, so that's cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and share my analytics. Y'all can go ahead and have all of my information. And we're good, so we can go ahead and turn it off and on, or turn up the volume, or turn it down, or just go ahead and use the equalizer. And all's good and cool, so let's go ahead and see how it actually sounds. And we got the party up feature here, so if I want to go ahead and connect multiple speakers, I can do that right here. Or I could hold on to a button on the speaker and do it, so that's pretty cool. So I actually heard the original UE MEGABOOM, and that actually sounded pretty good. So I don't expect less of this. I actually expected it to sound better, but we'll see. But let's go ahead and go over the Chucky beats. Y'all know how I do it. It's actually the background music for this video again. But we're gonna go ahead and look up Chucky beats and just pick up a random song. But his new recent songs haven't really been all that. You know, it's I like his old songs better, but I'm gonna go ahead and play on this speaker first, and I'm gonna go ahead and play on there and just see the difference. I know this isn't a UE MEGABOOM 3 versus Amazon Tab comparison, but I just want to go ahead and do it anyways. It's not even in the title or the description or anything. Apparently it wants our attention though. Let's go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and play Elliot by Chucky Beats. Let's go ahead and turn it up all the way. And that's full volume right there. You can't get a good experience unless you put on headphones. Even then, it's not really that good. But man, that is loud. Like I said, I heard the original UE MEGABOOM, and that was good, but this might be louder. I'm not sure though. But it does sound real good though. And then, yeah, it's cool. If I want to go ahead and pause it, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So, UE MEGABOOM 3, I spent $190 on this. I don't know if it's worth it yet. I'm gonna have to use it more. And I'm just breaking into it, so I heard when you break it to speakers or headphones more, it sounds better. So we gotta see about that. All right, so welcome to Cooking with Latrell, even though he's not cooking anything, featuring the sink. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm not really ready for this, but let's go ahead and do it anyways. And I got all the ports covered, so we're good on that. Well, let's go ahead and start this music. We're gonna turn up all the way. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and put it in the water. I don't know why you would want to put it in the water. That's just a gimmick to me, but I mean, you can if you want, I guess. But you can see the water just moving like that, right? Let me flip it around some more. That's dope. Let me take it out. Oh, wait. What's that all about? I have no idea why it's red. I think the battery's low. But it's good, though, so I don't really got nothing to worry about, I guess. It's still sketchy how it turned red when I put it in the water, but I'm pretty sure it's just a battery low. I recognize that light. But yeah, yo, that's pretty much it. So I'll get on that keyboard cover video for the Galaxy Tab S4 next, so don't worry about that. But I'll see you on the next one. I gotta charge this thing, but peace out.